Bullish estimates for how much Bitcoin Cash will cost in 2030 run from $515.39 to $973.51. Except for BCH, market examiners think BCH could reach 400.86 by 2025. Bearish, the price of Bitcoin Cash on the market is expected to be 91.62 in 2023. Talk about Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is one of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network. The idea for digital money came about because Satoshi Nakamoto was unhappy with where Bitcoin was going, which was away from his original plan for it to work as a computerized cash. Bitcoin Cash, which works more like cash than a place to keep a lot of money, was made. During this time, there was a heated debate between people who supported Bitcoin and those who thought it should have been able to trade more quickly and easily. Around this time, there was talk of a national conflict, with supporters of Bitcoin Cash saying that Bitcoin was not the real Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash was created when Bitcoin split in two. It got off to a good start, but has been troubled ever since. Even though Bitcoin Cash is supposed to be a more valuable form of cash, digital currency fans often invest in it. The price of the coin has the usual market volatility, but many people think that its future will be brighter and that it will be worth more in the coming years. What is Bitcoin Cash, even though it isn't the most well-known cryptocurrency? Bitcoin Cash is one of the biggest and most famous forks of the digital currency. It was created not long before Bitcoin reached its previous all-time high of $20,000 at the end of 2017. Bitcoin Cash was made, and the number of the blocks in the chain was increased so that more transactions could be processed quickly. It's interesting to note that the digital currency split into Bitcoin Cash ABC and Bitcoin Cash SV in November 2018. This shows a desire to keep Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies moving forward, but BCH's forking was mostly caused by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limit. Since blocks couldn't handle the increase in size for exchanges piled up and waited for confirmation. Bitcoin Cash proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, which would allow for more exchanges per block. Roger Ver, who started this fork, has been pushing the idea that Satoshi Nakamoto, who first thought of Bitcoin, had a computer file that could work. Under pressure, the change to Bitcoin's block size, according to Vern defenders of Bitcoin Cash, will make it possible for people to use Bitcoin as a way to make everyday transactions and give it a chance to compete with big MasterCard processing companies like Visa that charge high fees to handle global transactions. Bitcoin Cash is currently worth $114.51. BCH has moved 0.1% so far, and there have been $87,199,866 worth of trades. Bitcoin Cash is currently the 29th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $2,214,511,506. Using the above graph's overall strength file, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, we can figure out price patterns for Bitcoin Cash to see if it will be a bullish or bearish year. Our price predictions are based on constant Bitcoin Cash market data that is updated live on our site. This lets us give dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving at the moment. How much Bitcoin Cash will be worth in 2023? From some points of view, Bitcoin Cash is one of the most impressive digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH price prediction for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, maybe to 171.77. Also, the price of other digital forms of money will rise gradually, but there shouldn't be any big drops. An average price of $160.31 is very high, but it could happen soon if people work together and make progress. Every 2024, BCH should have a base value of 137.41 Bitcoin Cash value forecast 2024. Bitcoin Cash BCH price predictions have a lot of room to grow because of the planned announcements of many new groups and projects. We think that the price of BCH will soon be higher than $286.28. Before putting down any bullish trades, we should wait to see if the BCH's general strength list comes out of the oversold zone. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, the base exchange rate for BCH will be $229.02, and the average exchange rate will be $251.92. Bitcoin Cash price prediction for 2025. If the upward trend continues until 2025, it could reach $400.79, which would be good for BCH. However, if the market goes down, the goal may not be reached. In 2025, ETH is expected to trade for an average of $366.43 and a low of $343.53. Bitcoin Cash value prediction for 2026. If Bitcoin Cash helps digital currency fans' feelings about the market, the price of a BCH coin could stay stable for the next 5 years. Our prediction is that BCH will be green in 2026 and that it will reach and surpass its all-time high. In 2026, the value of virtual money will be $515.30, with a starting cost of $458.04 and an average cost of $480.94. Bitcoin Cash value prediction for 2027. After a lot of research and analysis, we think the BCH price will reach an average value level of $595.46 by 2027. With a base price of $572.55 expected before the end of the year and a maximum value of $629.81 for BCH, the Bitcoin Cash value estimate for 2028 is based on things that are expected to happen by 2028. We think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around $709.97. If BCH can break through the safe level in 2028, the price could go as high as $744.32. If BCH can't get the support it needs by then, the price could go as low as $687.06. Bitcoin Cash price prediction for 2029. While BCH is working to make it easier for companies to work together, the bullish trend from the past year is expected to continue. The base exchange price has been set at $801.57, and the annual price is expected to close above $858.83. The expected worth